Uh, okay, I'm coming back to your question because I think there is part of your question that I forgot to answer, and I just realized it a little bit later. So we covered everything about your question. Just the thing is that let's say I have a perfect example here. Just give me a sec to reset my pen. I'm gonna bring out my pen. Okay, hold on. This is an example from the backtesting I did yesterday. Okay. All right. So, so, uh, so let's say that's the 1 minute chart. Okay. Let's say that let's say that you are tempted to do. You see here the lows. With the lows. So everything below it, if it recovers, is it could be like a failed breakdown. Okay. Let's say, for example, here you can see there's a pullback, comes down, there's a pullback to the previous DVA low, and then goes lower. Let's say that, okay, you took the entry here by mistake, okay, and you got stopped out because you were targeting, high target, whatever. If you get stopped out, then you need to watch for another re-entry, okay? I think in that situation, there was, if you see, yep. So you can see here, this is where we are now. This is where we are now. This is the lows. These lows are these lows. Let's see here. As you can see, there is a set of lows here. Okay. So yesterday, I think I got stopped out also at this one because the market was kind of bearish. We want to go lower to take some more liquidity. I got stopped out here. So what did I do? I was just waiting for the price to break uh, more lows, to the downside. So when the price came here, I realized that we broke the whole shelf of the lows, the lowest lows here. So I was just looking for a re-entry, okay? So looking for a re-entry, I stepped down into the lower time frames, okay? Because this one, you see the price action here is this one, you can see. So when I was looking for a re-entry, I wouldn't take it here because in theory, this one, you see the lows here. You see how I'm gonna draw a line. Just give me a sec. Okay. So you can see now that this one is the liquidity graph. So this one, in theory, is a fair breakdown, especially if it's below this line, which is this line here. You can't see it, but it's the lowest lows. Um, in theory, you could enter here or here, but to have more confirmation, since I was coming from a loss, to having a little bit more confirmation and more probabilities to play for, in my favor. I wasn't looking for a re-entry until we clear these highs and these highs. You can see here. Okay. So since I saw the price is breaking above and I think it was about to do a retest, since I saw that, the price action is in my favor because you can see also here that this level was trying to push the price lower. You can see the attempt to sell. Since I saw that the buyers are holding the price here and they're pushing higher, and we broke this level, then I took my entry. What I want to say is when you get stopped out, don't say, this is done or finished or whatever. Just observe where the price goes, where you observe what lows the market wants to take in order to come back again. And just look for a re-entry. So this one, we took a fair breakdown, so it was a valid trade, but I didn't rush my entry here. I was just waiting for to clear these small highs here to have better chances for my trade to play out. So I think this covers your question on if we re-enter or when do we enter, we re-enter if we get stopped out. chess